Cool, back in the shop. So what we're doing, we're going to clean up these bolts. These are all the engine case bolts. I'm pretty sure they say case bolts on there. Maybe. I'm pretty sure they are. They look like them. So I'm going to give them a clean up. Then we're going to get just re-grease everything, just double check everything before we mount these cases up. That's the plan for tonight. Let's get it underway. Cool, so we should have, I think there's, how many? I don't know, I need to go get the book. But I'll wash all these up. I'm pretty sure there's 4 or 6 long ones. Cool, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Excellent. And 5 different sizes. Excellent. Are these the crankcase bolts? I think they are. I'm pretty sure they are. Okay, cool. Gonna turn it on, give it a wash. Oh, nice and clean. Let's go look for a spot to dry them. Cool. Cool. So what do we got here is we've got a Prime ME, Prime MX, whatever. Fine brushing wheel. I'm going to see what they look like brushing these up against them. See if they clean them up. Cool. So we're just going to test it out with one bolt. All I did in that a minute or whatever it was is I just swapped over the disc from a coarse one to a so we swapped out this coarse one, which would probably take way too much off it, to a much finer one. So we're going to give that a whirl, see what it looks like. Cool. Let's bring it over and have a look, see what it compares to. That's no polish, that's no nothing like that. If I was getting real fancy, I could probably polish them out. It's night time as well. Like, definitely cleaned up the head. Very, very nice. Got all debris off it. It didn't take any actual material off it. Which was nice. It's just cleaned up all the really rough spots. Yeah, I like it. I'm going to smash out these bolts. I'm going to do all the silver ones first. What the hell is that? Anyway, I'm going to do all the silver ones first. That one's already been done. And then I'm going to decide whether I do the black ones. So, cool. Let's see what it looks like. Nope. I've changed my mind. Not going to do that.